Hello and welcome. This is Varun, Technical Advisor, Design and Prototyping and Educational Consultant for Tutormash.com. Today we will be discussing about computer-aided designing and drafting. Our session is divided into three portions: drawing in engineering, the primitive hand drawing, the birth of computer-aided designing and drafting. Drawings in engineering. Drawings in engineering is known as the language of communication. It also allows the engineers to express their ideas and thoughts in a versatile manner. It also helps the engineers to plan and visualize their ideas to a prototype. The primitive hand drawing. Old times, engineers and draftsmen used big drawing boards, apparatus, and drawing skill to express their ideas. It required and consumed lots of time and space. As the demand increased, the work became messful and stressful, eventually leading to less accuracy and more error. The birth of computer-aided designing and drafting. Computer-aided designing and drafting brought a faster way of designing and drafting. It not only reduced the space, time, and chances of error in a drawing, but also increased the accuracy, productivity, and output. It introduced a new and a better way of data handling, reducing loss and space. Enhanced sustainable developments and designs were made practical on further updations. More and more complex drawings were handled and analyzed and stimulated. Lately, computer-aided designing gets more focused on delivering a visually enhanced, realistic outputs. So that's the end of the session, and we hope you understood well. Keep posting your queries and feedbacks, and for more videos, please log on to www.tutormash.com. Thank you.